Hello everyone, and welcome back to this video. Today we are going to talk about something that almost everyone is curious about: how to make money online. The internet has opened thousands of opportunities, and if you use them wisely, you can build a steady income or even a full-time career. So let's break down the most powerful ways to earn money online, step by step. First of all, let's understand one thing clearly. Making money online is not magic. It requires effort, consistency, and learning. But the good news is you don't always need huge investments to start. In many cases, you just need skills, patience, and a little guidance. 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to earn online is freelancing. Freelancing means you work independently and get paid for the services you provide. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect clients with freelancers. Companies and individuals look for people who can write, design, code, edit videos, translate languages, manage social media, and so much more. The best part about freelancing is flexibility. You decide what projects to take, when to work, and how much to charge. If you're a beginner, you might have to start with small projects and lower rates. But as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can raise your rates and attract bigger clients. Many people now earn full-time incomes by freelancing from the comfort of their homes. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This is one of the smartest and most profitable online business models. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product or service, and when a person buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. For example, Amazon has an affiliate program called Amazon Associates. If you share a product link on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and someone makes a purchase, you get paid. The key here is building trust and having an audience. You can create content like product reviews, tutorials, or recommendations. When people trust your suggestions, they're more likely to click and buy. Over time, this can generate passive income, meaning money comes in even when you're sleeping. 3. Content creation. Another big opportunity is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram allow you to create videos or posts, and once you build an audience, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and collaborations. For example, on YouTube, once you cross 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel with ads. TikTok and Instagram influencers earn money through brand deals and affiliate links. Remember, success in content creation comes with patience. You need consistency, creativity, and engagement with your audience. But if you enjoy making videos, teaching, or entertaining, this can be an amazing way to build both income and influence. 4. Online teaching and courses. If you are skilled in any area, like math, music, design, or even cooking, you can teach online. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to create courses and sell them to students worldwide. Even tutoring platforms like Preply or Chegg Tutors pay you to teach students one-on-one. The beauty of this method is scalability. Once you create a course, you can sell it again and again without extra work. 5. Dropshipping and e-commerce. Now let's talk about e-commerce and dropshipping. In simple terms, dropshipping means you sell products online without keeping stock. When someone places an order on your online store, you forward that order to a supplier, and the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You don't need a warehouse or large capital. All you need is an online store, which can be easily built using Shopify or WooCommerce. Your job is to market the products, manage customer service, and build your brand. If done right, this can be a highly profitable business. 6. Blogging and writing. Blogging is still one of the oldest but most reliable ways to earn online. If you enjoy writing, you can start a blog around topics like health, finance, travel, or personal development. Over time, your blog can earn money through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. You can also do freelance writing for companies, magazines, or online platforms. Websites like Medium also allow writers to earn based on how many people read their articles. 7. Stock photography and digital products. If you are creative, there are many ways to sell your work online. Photographers can upload their pictures to websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock, and earn money whenever someone downloads them. Similarly, you can create digital products like templates, ebooks, music, or designs, and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Canva Marketplace. Once uploaded, these products can generate income repeatedly without additional work. 8. Remote jobs and virtual assistants. Many companies are now hiring people to work remotely. This means you can apply for jobs like customer support, data entry, social media management, or virtual assistants from anywhere in the world. Being a virtual assistant is a great opportunity. Businesses and entrepreneurs often need help with scheduling, emails, research, or handling social media, and they are ready to pay well for reliable support. 9. Investing and trading. For those interested in finance, investing is another path. With apps like Robinhood, Grow, or Zerodha, you can invest in stocks, mutual funds, or cryptocurrencies. But remember, investing involves risk, and you must educate yourself before putting money in. Done wisely, it can grow your wealth significantly over time. Final thoughts. So these are some of the best ways to make money online: freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, teaching, dropshipping, blogging, selling digital products, remote jobs, and investing. The key is to pick one or two methods, focus on learning and practicing, and stay consistent. Don't get discouraged if results don't come immediately. Online success is a journey, and those who stay persistent always see the rewards. Remember, the internet has millions of opportunities. The only question is, are you ready to take action and grab them? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next video.